Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. Reminiscing about the past, the chair recalled his early days in business when he was used to getting up at 5 a.m. to get a head start on the day's trading. This sentence doesn't seem to have any errors. Although the first verb, reminiscing, is in the present continuous, and the second verb, recalled, is in the past, the first verb is part of a participial phrase, reminiscing about the past. When used in this way, it indicates that the following verbs are occurring at the same time. As it makes sense in our context to say that the chair recalled his early days as he was reminiscing, this is likely our answer, but let's take a look at the remaining choices just to be sure. B. Reminiscing about the past, the chair recalled his early days in business when he used to get up at 5 a.m. in order to get a head start on the day's trading. Like the previous choice, this choice doesn't have any grammar errors, so how do we determine which is correct? It's nuanced, but one is describing the chair recalling being used to waking up early, a habitual action he used to do, while the other is describing what he used to do, or what he did in the past. Taking into account that he was reminiscing about the past, it makes more sense in our context to understand it as he was reminiscing over what he used to do, and what he did in the past during his early days in business. This being the case, we can see that choice B is a better answer than choice A. At this point, we can mark choice A as incorrect and keep an eye on choice B as we take a look at our remaining choices. C. Reminiscing about the past, the chair recalled his early days in business, where he used to get up at 5 a.m. in order to get a head start on the day's trading. This choice is identical to choice B, aside from the fact that it says where he used to get up, and not when. As we're referring to a time, his early days, and not a place, we can see that this is incorrect and mark this choice off. And D. Reminiscing about the past, the chair recalled his early days in business, where he was used to getting up at 5 a.m. to get a head start on the day's trading. Again, we see where here instead of when. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.